Okay, students. So on yesterday we solved page number 6, question number 2, A, B, and C. Now today we are going to solve D, E, and F. And in the homework, I will give you some numbers, and you have to find out their factors. You have to find out their factors in your copy for practice. Okay. Still, I am going to solve part D, E, and F. That how we will solve it. So come, let's solve page number 6, question number 2, D, E, F. Okay, so we have question number 2, part D is 540, and now we have to find out its product in prime numbers. We have to find out its products, means we have to divide it, and after division we will find out its products. So come, it's 540, and the last digit of this number is even, so it means that the whole number is even. And as you know that even number can easily divided by 2. We can easily divide it even number with 2, so we will take 2. So we will broke the number, as this number is a bigger number, so we will broke this number 540. First we will take 5. Does 5 comes in the table of 2? No. But what number comes smaller than 5? 2 ones are 2, 2 twos are 4. So 4 comes in the table of 2. So we will write 2 here. We have taken 4, we have left 1. 1 हमारे पास बच गया है. 2 2 ज़ा 4, 1 बच गया. 5 में से 1 हमारा 4 के साथ चला जाएगा, एंड इट बिकम्स 14. देन 2 के टेबल में 14 आता है. डस 14 कम्स इन द टेबल ऑफ 2? येस. 2 7s are 14. So we will write 7 here and 0. So this 0 is 2 के टेबल में 0 तो नहीं आता. 0 हमेशा एज इट इज़ आ जाता है नीचे. So 0 as it is आ गया हमारा नीचे. It becomes 270, means 2 270s are 540. Now again we have the last digit even, so means the whole number is even. 0 is even number, the whole means the whole number is even number. Now again we can divide it with 2. So 2 ones are 2. then 2 के टेबल में 7 तो नहीं आता. what comes smaller than 7 in the table of 2? 6. 2 3s are 6. 7 minus 6, 1 बचा. 1 हमारा 0 के साथ चल जाएगा, and it becomes 10. then 2 के टेबल में 10 आता है. does 10 comes in the table of 2? yes. 2 5s are 10, and it becomes 135. now the last number is odd, means the whole number is odd. So 135 does not comes in the table of 2 because it's a 135 cannot come in the table of 2 because it is a odd number. So what I said you, that when you have the last digit of a number is 5, then it means that it comes in the table of 5. कोई सा भी digit जिसका last digit 5 हो, किसी भी नंबर का लास्ट डिजिट 5 हो, तो वो 5 के टेबल में ज़रूर आता है. सो वी कैन डिवाइड इट विथ 5. 5 के टेबल में 13 नहीं आता. 13 से छोटा वी विल ब्रोक इट बिकॉज इट्स अ 135 एंड वी हैव द टेबल ऑफ 5 till 50. सो वी विल ब्रोक दिस. वी विल टेक 13. 5 के टेबल में 13 नहीं आता. वॉट कम स्मॉलर देन 13? 10. 5 2s are 10. 3 हमारा 13 में से 10 गया, 3 बचा. 3 हमारा 5 के पास चले जाएगा. 5 7s are 35. now we have 27. 27 is the odd number, so because last digit is 7, so whole 27 is the odd number. Okay, so it cannot come in the table of 2. Can 20? now we will take table 3. Does 27 comes in the table of 3? yes. 3 sevens are 21. So 3 9s are 27. 3 9s are 27. Okay. Again 9 comes in the table of 2. No, 9 doesn't come in the table of 2. 9 comes in the table of, does 9 comes in the table of 3? Yes, 3 3s are 9. Now 3 1s are 3. So the answer we have is 1 2 2, we have 2 1 2 1 5 and 1 2 3 3 3 1 2 3, and that is our answer. That is our answer. These are the products of 540. So this is our answer. Now part E we have is 330. Again 330, it's a even number, so we can divide it with 2, the table of 2. So because last number is even, so the whole number is even, so we can divide it with 2. 2 के टेबल में 3 नहीं आता, 3 से छोटा स्मॉलर नंबर क्या आता है 2. 2 1 ज़ा 2, 1 आपके इधर आ गया. अगेन 13 2 के टेबल में नहीं आता, बट व्हाट कम्स स्मॉलर देन 13? 12. 2 6 ज़ा 12. 1 अगेन हमारा 0 के पास चला गया, एंड इट बिकम्स 10. सो 2 के टेबल में 10 आता है. येस, 2 5 ज़ा 10. नाउ वी हैव 165. Okay, 165 last digit is 5, so we can divide it with the table of 5. 16. It's 16. But what number comes smaller than 16 in the table of 5? 15. 5 3s are 15. 1 हमारे इधर चला जाएगा. Again it becomes 15. 5 3s are 15. Now we have 33. So the 33 comes in the table of 2? No, it's because it's a even number. 3, does 33 comes in the table of 3? Yes, look, 3 1s are 3, 3 1s are 3. It becomes 11. 3 11s are 33. Okay, now we have 11, and you know that 11 is a prime number, so 11 will be divided with 11 only, so it's 1. Look, it's so easy. So 11 1s are 11. It has been, this question has solved. So what answer we have? 2 multiply by 5 multiply by 3 multiply by 11. That is our answer. Okay, now we have question number question number F. It's question number F. Now we have question number F. It's a 4-digit number, so maybe it is a long question. Now look, the last digit is 5, means it can be divided by 5. Okay, so first we will take 4, but 4 is smaller than 5, so we will take the whole 43. We will take half 43. So does 43 comes in the table of 5? No. What number comes smaller than 43? 40. 5 8s are 40. 3 हमारा 2 के पास चला जाएगा, because 43 minus 40 is equal to 3. So 3 हमारा 2 के पास चला जाएगा. Now we have 32. Does 32 comes in the table of 5? No. What comes smaller than 32 in the table of 5? 30. 5 6 are 30. Again 32 minus 30, we have 2. So 2 हमारा आ जाएगा 5 के पास. Now it becomes 25. So 5 5s are 25. Now again we have the last digit 5. So we can solve it with the table of 5. Okay. So 8. 8 is bigger than 5. So we can take only 8 first. So does 8 comes in the table of 5? No. Then what comes smaller than 8? 5. 5 1s are 5. 3 8 में से 5 गए, 3 बचे. 3 हमारा 6 के पास चले गए. इट बिकम्स 36. 36 नहीं आता 5 के टेबल में. 36 से छोटा आता है 35. 5 7s are 35. 1 hamaरा 5 के पास चला गया. 35 36 में से 35 गए, 1 बचा. 1. Now it becomes 15. 5 3s are 15. Now we have 173. 173. Okay, last digit is 3. It's an odd number, means it cannot come in the table of 2. Now we can check that does 130 comes in the table of 5. Does 130 comes in the table of 5? वो does 173 comes in the table of 3? बिकॉज 2 के टेबल में तो नहीं आ सकता, बिकॉज इट्स अ ऑड नंबर. तो 3 के टेबल में चेक कर लेते हैं. वी आर जस्ट चेकिंग. ओके, 3 173. वी विल टेक 16. वी विल टेक 17. 17 से छोटा 3 के टेबल में क्या आता है? 15. सो 7 वो 3 5 ज़ा 15. 3 5 ज़ा 15. Okay, 3 5 ज़ा 15. We have 2 left. So it becomes 23, and 23 doesn't come in the table of 3. 23 does not come in the table of 3. 23 does not come in the table of 3 means it cannot be solved with 3. We cannot solve it with 3. We have 173. So हमने चेक कर लिया 2 के टेबल में नहीं आता, 3 के टेबल में नहीं आता, 5 के टेबल में भी नहीं आता 173, बिकॉज लास्ट नंबर 3 है. एंड 5 के टेबल में सिर्फ वो नंबर आते हैं जिसके एंड में 0 हो या फिर 5 हो. ओके, नाउ रिमाइंड वन थिंग, that the list that I send you in yesterday homework, number till prime numbers till 200. So remember 173 was in that list, means 173 is a prime number. 173 is a prime number, so 173 comes in its own table only. So 173 ones are 173. So what prime factors we have in the answer? 5 multiplied by 5 multiplied by 173, and that is our answer. Okay.